So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the fingerprint scanner, how you can set up the fingerprint scanner on a laptop if it supports it. Now, in order to do it, simply open the settings of your laptop. Now, in the settings, click on this option of account on the left window, then scroll down and click on this option of sign in options. Now, here you'll see this option of fingerprint recognition. That is where you need to click on this option of set up a fingerprint if you haven't set it up yet, or in my case it is showing that I can add another fingerprint, multiple fingerprints. So just simply enable the fingerprint option right here. If your laptop supports it, you'll see that is start working, and if it does not, it will show something like this, that this option is currently unavailable, or we cannot find a camera compatible with Windows Hello, or we cannot find the compatible fingerprint scanner if it does not support it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.